Greetings to all. My name is Hannah Emanuela Mwakayoka, and today I'll be discussing diversity in the mathematics classroom. What is diversity? Diversity refers to the differences in social identities, race, age, gender, identities, social economic statuses, disabilities, nationalities, and religions. They all comply as social identities as individuals. Thus, learning and practicing diversity in a mathematics classroom is essential. It enhances the perspective of both perspective and developing the teachers in today's classrooms. As a teacher, I believe practicing diversity in the classroom is important because first, the teacher gets to know all her learners and allows the teacher to enforce group work, allowing the learners to learn how to communicate with each other and giving the learners the opportunities to form friendships amongst those groups. Thus, encouraging cultural sensitivity amongst the learners and in the classroom. Diversity in my lesson plan forced me to look at the bigger picture. So not every learner is the same. Thus, the saying, "No learner should be left behind," is important. It teaches the teacher to not only look at the group as a whole, but to ensure that her teaching strategies and methods of assessment encounter for all the learners in the classroom. The teacher ensures no learner is left behind, and the teacher must strive to know how each learner learns and ensures to accommodate for all of them through different ways of teaching. For instance, verbally, visually, kinetic, and written. But diversity also allows the teacher to go deeper. For instance, if the learner does not work well with written notes, the teacher can provide audio books for the learner or ensure to teach the learner through visual aids, while not forgetting to teach through the multicultural curriculum. Also providing choices in assessment, like giving options to choose between different readings. For instance, if the learner does not understand fractions via written, the teacher can provide picture demonstrations of how the work can be done. For learners who have high IQ, the teacher could ensure that the learner is given work that is harder for them, that encourages them to always be focused on their work rather than to slack and get bored. Lastly, the teacher to set communication expectations. Each culture has its own unique style of communication, which is acceptable for different cultures and not for the others. Thus, the teacher should ensure that when teaching, or the teacher needs to be constant with clear communication rules. Never disregard another learner because of their culture or race. But every learner should be treated equally in the mathematics classroom and ensuring that all their needs in that classroom are encountered for. Thus, it is our duties as teachers not to only do what is required of us, but going to the extra mile to ensure that those looking upon us understand what we are providing them. Thank you very much for your time.